Hello dear NEET aspirants. So you all know very well যে NEETৰ ডেট টো এনাউন্স হৈ গৈছে এন্ড তোমালোকৰ বহুত কোৱেৰিজ আহি আছে ৰিলেটেড টু এক্সাম এবাৰ এক্সাম প্যাটাৰ্ন কোৱেশ্চনছ কেনেকা আহিব অল দোজ থিংস সো হেবোৰ মই সিম্পল ৱেত ক্লাৰিফাই কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আহিছো সো লেটস ষ্টাৰ্ট আৱাৰ ভিডিও Okay, so date of registration already started হৈছে 6 এপ্ৰিলৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে up to 6th of May you can register but আমি ইমান দিন ওয়েট কৰিব নালাগে আমি বাস এগিনিনৰ ভিতৰতে যদি কৰিলো যিমান জলদি কৰো ভাল এন্ড এবাৰ নতুন বস্তু এড কৰা হৈছে you can see UPI payment এবাৰ তুমি কৰিব পাৰা that's a good thing Google Pay Phone Pay and all those other apps you can use then at category wise all of fees or kotha describe kora goise and 17th of July is the judgment day as you already know correct now changes here is a duration of exam agote 1 hour 180 minutes মানে 3 hours or exam hoisil etia 200 minutes kori dia hoise মানে 3 hour 20 minutes you are getting 20 minutes more this year okay 2 to 5:20 pm মানে evening exam hobo correct now this portion this is the main part etu alop bhalke huniba tetya buji baba kothabur ki so agote ki asil scene eneka asil je 45 questions solve koribo lage 45 questions tumar direct physics or 45 thakibo chemistry 45 thakibo bio dhara 90 thakibo to tumi accordingly serially jiman parila solve korila and accordingly tumi marks pai gola eta pattern to different kaneka hol তিনটা সাবজেক্টতে আমি দুটা সেকশনক ডিভাইড কৰি দিছো মানে এনটিএ কৰি দিছে তোমাৰ ফার্স্ট সেকশনত 35 কোয়েশ্চনস থাকিব for every okay like chemistry physics botany every subject and zoology as well 35 hey 35 questions bur amar kane mandatory section buli kobo para mane if you can solve every single question there you are allowed to solve you can solve pariba tumi jiman jodi 35 question 35 para 35 kori dia no problem but junto second section hai mane section B that 15 ke question dia hoise now a 15 questions are bhitor you will have to I mean solve only 10 okay 15 or bhitor 10 ta koribo lag even though tumi maybe you are a bright student and tumi 15 ta question e para but ami solve koribo lage only 10 ta yat এই কথাটো মনত ৰাখিবা you will not get extra mark for doing extra এটো কৰিব নালাগে ঠিক আছে বেকাৰ নেগেটিভ মার্কিংও আহি যাব পাৰে maybe you have done some question correct and তোমাৰ যোনটো wrong question আছে মানে তুমি এক্সট্ৰা কৰি পেলাই আৰু wrong কৰি দিলা সো একো লাভ নাই এটো কৰি just keep that point in your head all right and yeah so sub sectionতে এনেকা হ'ব এটো মেজৰ ডিফাৰেন্স ইয়াত তাৰ উপৰি it's an offline examination so OMR filling and all those things will be there correct and Assamese medium students er karone bhal khabar je paper to Assamese medium to conduct kora hobo Assamese is one of the language in which the paper will be conducted so my suggestion will be ki jodi 10th or lage tomar Assamese asil ar tar pisot suppose tumi 11th ahar khomoy tomar teacher hai tomar junior college hok ba school hot tomak jodi english ot pohaise chemistry physics terms bur english ot explain korise then please don't opt for an Assamese medium paper but jodi tumi 11 12 purely Assamese medium ot korisa and english ot tomar problem hoy then only opt for the Assamese medium paper okay and that is one more thing I want to tell you ki Assamese paper to অসমতে যে সেন্টারস বুৰ যিবোৰ অসমতে আছে ন হে সেন্টারস বুৰতে Assamese medium paper পাবা maybe you are studying in Meghalaya say for example and you are opting for a center in Meghalaya that does not mean ki Meghalaya government tumak Assamese paper provide koribo so you will have to come to Assam anyway if you want to give the paper in Assamese English medium paper is available at all centers kiba karone jodi tumi suppose July 17 around Delhi thaka ba south ot thaka no issue English medium to tumi jote tote dibo para correct now these are the names of centers in Assam juntu ghorar closest hoy hetu center e choose koriba and centers wa joldi center fill up hoy jay so my suggestion will be again registration as early as possible korila tetya tomar center of choice tumi pai jabo para jodi registration alop deri kora then tumi center of choice na pabo para ঠিক আছে generally hote tinta center of choices diye tomar first preference ki hobo second ki hobo third more to suggestion etu hobo according to distance choose korilole better okay so we have Baksa Barpeta then Mongoldoy Dorong district of Mongoldoy Dhubri Goalpara Golaghat Hailakandi Jorhat Lakhimpur Nagaon Nolbari Shibosagar tarpise Udalguri Dibrugarh Kamrup metropolitan at Guwahati and Kachar district of Silchar is the exam center Sonitpur district of Tezpur This is the exam number. They have increased the number of exam centers. It's a good thing. আগতে 4টা মানে আমাৰ টাইমতো 4টা মানে আছিল centers আৰু তাৰ আগতো only গুৱাহাটী আছিল. তো now we have many exam centers. So just choose according to your distance. Okay. So thank you very much. I hope I am able to clear all the doubts related to the exam. Chalo, see you in the next video.